In FY 2025-2026, India's economy is facing a major shift. And these changes are directly impacting the people who move the country: truckers, logistics providers, and delivery partners. With the US increasing tariffs on Indian exports from April 2025 and pausing them for 90 days, India's outbound shipments to the US worth $90 billion is under pressure. The slowdown is inevitable, though its extent is uncertain. And when exports slow down, so does the logistics sector. What is a tariff? A tariff is a tax imposed on imported goods, acting like a toll gate for international products entering a country. President Trump starts imposing tariffs on goods from other countries with the idea of helping American companies, reducing the amounts of goods the US buys from other countries, and bring factories back to the US. Now you may think how tariff will hurt the Indian shippers. Because of these tariffs, Indian exports to the US will be less competitive. Sectors like steel, car parts, electronics, and clothing have all seen a drop in sales to the US. Steel got more expensive. The US have already placed a 25% tax on the Indian steel, making it more harder to sell. The tariff has not paused on this. Trade benefits ended. The US stopped giving India special treatment in which some goods could enter without any tariff. Now you may think what it means to the trucking and logistics. Ruko, uncertainty in supply chain. Back and forth decisions on tariff are forcing companies to pause their investment to wait for clarity. This slowdowns the China Plus One manufacturing plans that has been benefiting India. As a result, logistics related to the movement of construction will be affected. Exporters are in wait and watch mode. Since businesses don't know what tariff rates will be applied to their goods when it reaches to US, export-related inland goods movement are expected to decline. A sad news is reducing trucking demand. These factors may lead a 5 to 10% drop in trucking demand, which in turn could reduce truck hire costs. However, looking back at the COVID years, we saw supply chain disruptions result in higher trucking rates. So how Trump's tariff will affect trucking this time remains uncertain. The Indian government has revised tax rules, allowing salaried employees to earn up to 12.75 lakhs without paying taxes. This is a significant saving, which the government hopes to boost domestic consumption. If people spend more, the economy benefits. So does the trucking industry. As higher demand increases, truck usage and rental rates. A tough year for tech and BPO employees. The global economic slowdown has made investors cautious. Indian startup funding fell 70% in 2023, resulting in 35,000 closures and 17,000 plus tech job losses. This means fewer discounts and freebies from e-commerce companies. Zomato recently lays off 600 customer support employees as AI takes out bulk operations. Many professionals in startups, BPOs, and IT sectors are now facing job losses or uncertain future. As a result, young India are cutting back spending and saving more. Credit card usage dropped 14% in just 3 months, reaching 1.2 lakh crore in March 2025, the lowest in last 7 months. This dip in consumption will further reduce demand for trucking services, leading to lower truck hire rates. As analyzed, FY 2025-2026 will remain uncertain for manufacturers and exporters due to Trump-era tariffs and fewer job opportunities in BPO and IT sectors. The only silver lining will come from increased spending due to tax relief for salaried individuals. The era of easy money is over. Logistics companies need to be smart, efficient, and ready for a change. Similarly, manufacturers should handle the uncertainty and use this opportunity to increase efficiency. In a year full of uncertainty, will Indian logistics and manufacturing players adapt fast and use challenges as opportunities? What do you think? Let us know in the comment section.